in J6R, we've been looking at the power of positive thinking.
Did you know that people who look for the positives in a situation sleep better and have a stronger immune system and are happier than people who don't?
Over the last few months, it's been hard at times to remain positive, but we have created 4 little dramas in our pods to show how to turn a tricky situation into something positive.
On Thursday the 12th of March, the girls of Alexandra College were in for a surprise. Miss Lampu had called them down to the hall for an important meeting.
Girls, in order to keep you safe, our teacher Cleo Radko had decided to close our schools for 2 weeks. I know this is strange, but remember girls, one day this will be part of our history.
This is the worst thing ever.
We're never gonna see each other again.
I'll miss you.
Guys, think positive. This is only for our own safety, and we can't take any risks in the school. Plus, we'll get a lion.
Zainab, this is a serious pandemic. Guys, we're very fortunate that our families are safe. I better start organizing more hand sanitizer.
Look, Dad, it's the tea shop on TV. Turn it up.
Good evening. Tonight I want to talk to you about the next stage in our national response to the coronavirus emergency. We are going into a countrywide lockdown from midnight tonight. This is to keep us all safe. We have a website if you want to sign up to help our healthcare service. We're in this together.
Oh no, what am I going to do? I'm so worried.
It's okay, Grammy.
Look, we've got tons of stuff to keep us going. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. You're not alone, Grammy.
Guys, this is serious. We should help more people.
I know, I think I should go and work in the hospital. I'll be hands on deck.
Wait, I don't know how to do online bridge. I want to contact my friends.
I'll show you, Grammy.
Oh, thank you. Can you play with me? Yeah.
And now everyone is looking on the bright side and all will be well. It was Neve's birthday and her friends were coming over to celebrate.
Happy birthday!
Thanks, guys.
It's also the 75th day of quarantine.
Air hugs. So, how are you? Honestly, I'm a little bit worried about everything.
Me too.
Who are you?
I'm your negative emotions. Quarantine's awful. You can't even get your hair done. And let's be honest, you really need to.
Don't worry, it will be over soon. I agree. Who are you? I'm your positive thoughts. Let's focus on me.
Are you guys sure that quarantine will be over soon?
Remember to think of the positives. Quarantine should be over soon. And every month we are able to do more things and the schools will be reopening soon.
Neve took a minute to think about both sides.
I know this wasn't the birthday I had hoped for, but at least I could have some friends in the garden. Now let's continue thinking positive and party!
I had to wake up at 7:30 a.m. this morning just to get this itchy uniform. Good morning, everyone.
How are you? School is just so strict this year. There are too many rules.
It's so good to be back. I wish we could go back to Zoom so I can stay in my pajamas.
Be careful what you wish for. At least we're back in the classroom. We can finally see all our friends again. Let's try and focus on the positives.
You do have a point.
Yeah, air high fives.
We know it can be hard to always see the positive in a situation, but it's important to remember how lucky we are.
Next time you are feeling sad, share your worries with a friend. Together you can try and find a silver lining to every cloud. And remember to
Be positive!